Well, Jacques, we're here at Silverado Pond, and we're going to go and do some bird watching. And I guess we're going to start with this duck in the pond here.
Well, Charlie, that's very good, and this is the first event of two, so we're on our way. Well, look, another bird up in the tree.
A magpie. Hey, Jacques, what's with all the robins today? They're just wandering around with their mouths open.
Yeah, Charlie, you're right, that is kind of weird.
Hey, Jacques, look at this robin. He's running around with his mouth open all the time.